It's not always easy to tell a well-renovated home from a flip where somebody's just trying to make a buck. Here's something you can look at to tell the difference that not everybody's going to catch. When you're looking at a renovated home, check out the electrics. And by that I mean the panel and the fixtures and the wiring if you're able to see it. Start with the panel, go out, find it. It's usually on the outside of the house, open it up. What's the largest number you see on there? Usually there's a big breaker at the top. If that number is 100, it's a 100 amp panel, it's probably older, and unless it's a small home, it may not be adequate to your needs for expansion later, especially if you're looking at solar. Wiring, again, it's catchy to look at because it's inside the walls, but that means it's messy and expensive to repair if you need to fix it later. What you can do is a clue, is look for grounded versus ungrounded outlets. Now this isn't a surefire, but if you see ungrounded outlets, those are outlets with just the two little slots and not the hole at the bottom, then that is an old fixture, and it's pretty safe to say that the wiring behind it, and maybe even that panel, is going to be old too. Okay, I hope this is good information for you. If you like this tip, stick with me because I'm going to be doing more like this. Thanks for subscribing and following. Talk to you soon.